Good evening. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And thank you for giving me this opportunity. And today's our topic is about training of educators and coping with rapidly change education technologies. Madam and the sir they were telling about that technology schools. Many of the schools, almost not in cities, sir, and in every town we are using the technologies everywhere we are using. But the 21st man of 21st century is man of innovation, inculcation, and invincible initiation. So all these technologies, how we use, and we have to train the teachers. Sir, just now he is telling about that how we have to train the teachers, not giving that all the technologies to the school. We have this and we have that. Telling all these things are not very necessary, and giving ad, that is only for giving ad nowadays. But this is the thing, we have to train the teachers what the technologies we use, whatever that may be technologies or whatever it may be, that I feel. And at the outlet I put forth my echoing reflection with the words that emphasize the technological turn up in educational standards. Yeah, certainly there has been rapidly changing trends on the part of the educational technologies. Technologies we are using, whiteboards for is showing the experiments on the board itself. And sir, you are telling about that virtual lab. By looking at that, many of the children, they can understand, but when they do that on their own, that it will be memorable for them, sir. That I feel. Sorry for not. Yes, sir. Okay. The education is more technologized, and hence the educator must avoid by the progressive standards of educational technology that is implement in each and every aspect of TLP, teacher learning process. First thing I feel, I myself, I train my teachers, and I whatever the technology I use, I explain everything how to use the technology, rapidly changing the technologies. But the use of many of the schools or many of the teachers, we are not using that properly in the proper way. That yesterday I was talking about, many of the senior most panelists were talking about that. Copy, cut, and paste. That is the thing we have now. The technology, using technology. Many of the schools, they are telling we are giving the projects, but giving the project is not an important issue. But what they are learning from the project, are they doing that? What the project, for example, I want to know about this coping with rapidly changes of technologies. But I give for one of the child, for example, my son, and he is opening that net. You know that whatever we open, that it is opening, and he'll take that just he'll open that, and he'll just copy, cut, and paste. What is there in that, he doesn't know. So everyone, many of that, for example, I'm telling about my child. He's doing many projects from that internet, from copying internet, but no use of copying all those things. Maybe when he reads from that, one or two points, he collect the material from that, what the thing is there in that. Okay, that the education is more technologized, and I feel that all these things, and this all has to be first, I feel that communication skills, drawback of communication skills, I feel that I'm not sure of that. I feel that because of the children, or most of the children are not going deep into that. Why? Because of they don't understand what is there. What the language, everyone knows, right? From LKG, many of the children are coming from English medium schools, and yesterday and today many of the people are talking about, senior most people are talking about the communication skills. And I want one suggestion, when you if you give why we are not giving the proper communication skills for our children. All these technologies, they are opening. Even right, a 3 years old kid can open that laptops. He can open internet and cell phones. We don't know how to operate the new cell phone, but every 3-year kid also can open and all this. He knows that how to take the photos and what is there inside that. They go very deep into that, but we don't know. But they don't know what is that third class child, he doesn't know that what is the communication skills and all those. But just going on that, when we give the projects, this is for the schools, or the school teachers, or maybe if there are any person are there, schools, when we give the projects, the teacher, what the project, there is some useful thing they have to, when we give the project, when they are doing the project, please collect the subject, what is there, what we are giving the project on that. Collect the subject, collect the what is there you are doing, understand that and do the project. And one of my panelists, one of the sir was telling about that, give that topic of, you show the person of, you give that what is it, orphanage, you take the children to the orphanage and write the project of orphanage, so that they can understand, they can develop their communication skills, they can cope up with. Okay, these all things I want to share. Okay, it is well known that visual communication is far stronger than verbal. That we know that because of all the technology has come, and many of the schools and many of the institutes, everything they are using that technologies in the schools and everywhere. So, but what is the technology we are using? Please use it well, that it has to be used for the children or whatever it may be. Thank you very much.